So now I will discuss about the map. I let you understand the idea of map. So here two type of map is there. One is Indian geography and second one is world. Map for world and map for India. As far as India map is concerned, so we shall cover this with topic. Some sort of topic I will provide you after this discussion along with that. So with classes, this will be with classes on Indian geography, we shall cover. As far as world geography is concerned, so there will be a separate class, extra classes on this topic, or in that topic we will cover both political map and the physical map. Physical map. As far as the potential of both physical and political is concerned, so both are relevant. Question may come over political or over physical. We shall prepare both. Now let us discuss about political map. So look, political map involves what? So territorial extent of country, about neighborhood, about longitude, about latitude. That is not very, we can say, enough. We need to collect information about the capital city, about the city known for production, or suppose city is popular for different kind of things. In that case, that will be a part of this. Like Brazil, for example, if suppose I am taking here South America. So suppose this is our territory of South America. Political map require understanding of the geographical area, means territory of the state, that is Brazil. Again, the capital city, capital of Brazil, suppose Brasilia, so that will be the next. Again, next will be the town or city known for mining, known for tourism, like Sao Paulo. Sao Paulo, a port city, also called coffee port. So this exports the amount of coffee considered largest in the world from this region. Sao Paulo, Santos, these are. Including with that, we shall keep in mind the political, country, border or territory, capital. Ab, never consider capital a very so-so topic. A reason being, I am sharing I experience what I felt. It was when I was preparing for civil services, it was a direct question. Ki Victoria is the capital of which of the following country? Victoria is capital of which of the following? We are taking capital easy, taken for granted type of topic. Ki we are able to memorize the name of capital in examination. So that is not a right way. We shall always keep in mind, sometime UPSC throw googly. So these are kind of googly. If we are not able to Victoria, as far as Victoria is concerned, Victoria is kind of ubiquitous. Har jagah, that is quite prevailing name. In Asia, name of the mountain peak in Myanmar is called Victoria. A lake in Africa called Victoria. A waterfall in Africa called Victoria. A desert in Australia called Victoria. A city in Canada named Victoria. So there is kind of relief comes with the name Victoria. As far as the capital city Victoria concerned, this is the capital of Seychelles. Seychelles. We shall discuss how. So again, capital. Next one, city, other city, other city, mining, or port. Other city, mining, or port city. And last but not the least, again, place in news. Place or country in news. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट क्राइसिस, यहां पे देखो क्या है, दैट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट टू नो कि कॉन्फ्लिक्ट और क्राइसिस इक्वल टू यूपीएससी. मस्ट कीप इन माइंड, wherever conflict or crisis is going on or happened, this will be part of your prelims examination. This year, 2 question over conflict and crisis was there. Kachin, a location found in our Myanmar. This is the map of northeastern India, or this is the map of Myanmar. This province of Myanmar is called Kachin. Kachin, or here a tribal group are quite active, violent tribal group, Kia. Kia tribal group is active here, and there were a question on Kia. In Sudan, you know very well, unrest is going on. The 2 armies fighting with each other. Question was there why Sudan is burning. Afghanistan, when Taliban occupied, there were a question, name, find out the neighborhood country of Afghanistan. On Ukraine, there will be a question. Recently, our West Asia facing conflict. There will be multiple question on Syria, on Lebanon, on Israel, on even Palestine. So that is the very well-known fact. UPSC comes with the name come in news. So news or conflict means there will be a question. Always keep in mind. As far as physical is concerned, so physical involves about 10 to 12 things. The very first is mountain. So you shall understand the distribution of mountain in the world, like Andes Mountain, Rocky Mountain, Cascade Mountain, Alps Mountain, even our Himalayan, Kunlun, Hindu Kush, multiple mountain. You will be able to learn this. Just do the classes. Map will be the most easier part of this. Again, mountain peak or summit. So we have to collect the name. Next one will be, after this, mountain peak, plateau. Plateau are flat-topped relief feature. Flat-topped relief feature is called plateau. Several type of plateau, even several plateau found on Earth, like Colombia, Colorado, Bolivia, even India, in Asia it is Tibetan plateau. Again, Ladakh plateau, it is our Deccan plateau, it is Anatolia plateau. So we shall cover that plateau in Turkey. Next one, after plateau, this will be a lake. Lake or lakes. So lake, as far as concerned, lake has been the interest of UPSC. Even lake are kind of the geographical feature supports, even causes the biodiversity. If suppose there is a freshwater lake, there must be plant, there must be some species around the lake. If such a lake dry up, this will be a challenge on entire organism. So most of the lake in the world are facing now the risk of extinction. Like I am telling you the name of a very popular lake, it is Chad. Which lake? Chad. So once Chad Lake was 3rd or 4th largest lake in the world. Now 95% area shrinked. This almost dry up. And the lake is known for world's sweetest water. Means the water of this lake is sweeter than others. The lake with sweetest water. Similarly in Asia, that is Aral Sea. What happened with Aral Sea? It was a very vast lake earlier. Now this lost 90% area dry up. So when lakes comes, we shall keep in mind this will be part of your the environment ecology as well as geography map as well. UPSC considers that lake. Again, next one, river. A river. Acha, reading world river is different from reading Indian river. In Indian river, we shall cover about their source, origin, even their branches, tributary, distributary. World river, as far as concerned, we shall collect only few information. As far as source is concerned, here source are irrelevant kind of fact. UPSC avoids the exact source of some river, like Amazon. Have you ever checked the exact source of Amazon? Like with Ganga. We all know that Ganga rises from Gomukh and Gangotri glacier. But nobody know same fact with Amazon. From where Amazon rises? That is not very clear. So with world, we shall keep in mind that this rises from Andes. That is enough. We need not to check or go with Wikipedia type of facts. That will make this a very complex. So river. Next will be desert. Desert. Acha, tell me the name of largest desert in the world. So my question is that name the largest desert on the world या in the world. अब एक दूसरा क्वेश्चन लेते हैं. नेम द लार्जेस्ट हॉट डेजर्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. अब इसका क्या होगा? व्हाट वुड बी द आंसर? किसका सहारा किसका होगा? सेकेंड का. तो फर्स्ट का क्या होगा? यस, डेजर्ट मे बी cold or maybe warm or hot. This may be warm desert, this may be hot desert, cold desert. So if suppose it is overall type of question, in that case keep in mind our southern pole Antarctica is largest one, devoid of any type of natural vegetation. So the size of Antarctica is greater than the size of Europe and Australia. So that is the reality. Largest desert is not our Sahara, rather largest desert is Antarctica. As far as distribution of desert is concerned, so most of the desert, hot desert found in between 20 to 30 degree latitude. We shall discuss that concept during our climatology segment. Here we shall collect the name and their behavior. ठीक है. और desert के बाद चले lake, river, plateau, mountain, peak, desert, and last will be ocean part. Oceanic part. So in oceanic part, we shall cover about the strait, bay and bank. Oceanic part. So oceanic part. So like suppose this is or island. One more thing, island. So this will be the overall roadmap of your geography, and this is the minimum required topic for geography. Okay, if you are not getting these topic means you are not preparing. And one more thing, need not to read multiple books. Focus or carry out your reading NCERT books. Including with that, I will provide you up to date content. Up to date means it will be up to date. Okay, so I have all such things. After this, one more thing I would like to share with you. Getting all these topics will only be very difficult until and unless you have collected some basic idea of geography. So first we shall discuss the basic geography. Thereafter we shall proceed toward the main course of geography. So a starter will come first, thereafter main course. So this is the main course. Now basic. So including with that 4 or 5 topic are part of geography basic. सबने नोट कर लिया होगा. Geography basic, that is part of geography basic. First one, that is our universe and solar system. Universe and solar system. अब देखो, what has been the structure or proceedings of class. Science Tech faculty considers geography will cover this universe and solar system. Geography faculty earlier felt that ki this will be part of Science Tech, but we shall keep in mind ki the reference of geography here is different. The reference of Science Tech faculty will be different. So we shall cover in the way that will be helpful for our understanding of geography. ठीक है, तो यूनिवर्स एंड सोलर सिस्टम. एज फार एज ग्रेविटी ऑफ दिस टॉपिक इज कंसर्न, तो अर्लियर इट वाज लेफ्ट बाय यूपीएससी. दिस ईयर अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन केम ऑन अरोरा लाइट्स. तो अरोरा लाइट्स दैट लिट एट हाउस ऑफ मिस्टर अरोरा, ऐसे ही होता है ना, मिस्टर अरोरा के घर पे जो लाइट है दैट इज कॉल्ड अरोरा लाइट. So, Aurora lights was the question. Universe and solar system will be the first topic. Second topic will be movement of Earth. Movement of Earth. So, our Earth has two different type of movement. One is called revolution and one is a rotation. And we shall discuss all such intricacies. Third one will be coordinates or latitude and longitude, और इसी को कहते हैं एक तीसरे नाम से अर्थ्स ग्रिड सिस्टम. ग्रिड सिस्टम, latitude and longitude. And fourth one, on this basis we may determine date and time. Date and time. So after discussing on these topic, that is the basic, we can't say that this is the main course of geography. But suppose it comes polar region or higher latitude. What would be the meaning of higher latitude? Without knowing the latitude, we must not figure out higher latitude. The term will be kind of. So we shall cover these part first, and today's class will be on these part. Thereafter, we move ahead toward geomorphology. As far as map is concerned, so believe me, map will be the most interesting part of geography. We shall all cover through PPT, through additional this way. अच्छा देखो, geography में as far as तुक्का और kind of expected question or kind of suppose making expectation that this will be a right answer. So keep in mind, never give up. Try not to give up in your examination. Reason being, geography are quite interrelated. Geography is quite interrelated subject. If you will analyze the fact, you will have the answer. I am sharing you a question. How tukka can be attempted, tukka can be tried by the student. Here, look. A question is here, कि suppose a question come, name the state, I will show you the question later, name the state located on these coordinates. And now check the question. Latitude, it is 9 degree to 15 degree north. Longitude 68 degree to 87 degree east. A. Ab, this will be the way. How can we identify the right answer? Learn this. If such type of question come, A, it is Chandigarh or Delhi. T, Chandigarh. C, Puducherry. and D, Andaman Nicobar. This was a question, I think UPSC has asked this question in any. Which one will be? Andaman Nicobar. All have the same answer? Now we will discuss this type of question during our latitude, location and extent of India. We shall discuss. देखो अब इसको prima facie this will be a difficult question. This appear a difficult question. That is not a difficult question if you are able to break this apart. Now that is the map of India. What is the latitude 9 to 15 degree means the state must south to this Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. What is Tropic of Cancer? 23.5 north. So latitudinal extent lie here. This part. So identify Delhi. Where? This part occupied by Delhi. So Delhi must not be the answer. First went Chandigarh. Lies here. Chandigarh must not be the part of this. Now come to part 68 to 87. Means 68 is around here. This part around 68 is here. And 87 as far as concerned, we learn later 82.5 degree. 82 degree and half minute determines the IST Indian Standard Time that separates India into two parts that crosses the central part of India. That is the demarcation. 87 it is means here. Now identify the stretch. If it is Andaman Nicobar must not reaches to 68. So it is not Andaman Nicobar, rather it is our Puducherry. This occupy this part, even this part. So on the basis of understanding of the data with your concept, you may take the right answer. तो यही करना है, तुक्का ऐसे लगाना है. You shall try to figure out what UPSC will never give you fact. Always keep in mind. All such fact, UPSC actually try to understand your conceptual understanding. Even words or the question all are quite this way. Similarly, a question on astronomical unit comes. I will show you whenever it comes. So give up as far as concerned कि checking this type of, looking this type of question, you suppose get frustrated कि भाई क्या पूछ दिया है, ये थोड़ी ना बनने वाला है, इतना कौन याद करता है, latitude, longitude. But that is not objective of UPSC. UPSC is looking to check your smartness. How smart are you basically? Only then you will get the right answer. तो ये ध्यान रखना है इसको. आप उसको सोचोगे, if you are getting this in depth, you will be able to find out right answer. तो ये करना है हमको. प्रैक्टिस करेंगे हम लोग. आओ चलते हैं हम लोग. Now we shall cover our the main topic, that is universe and solar system. That is the picture of universe. तो what it appears or what supposed to be universe, क्या होगा ये? तो if universe come, universe is quite vast. Even vast is space involving, including all planet, satellite, solar system, even stars are part of our universe. So as far as the universe definition is called, it is infinite. That includes each and everything around us, be it our planets, be it our satellites, be it our sun or a star, all are the part of universe. Everything that have existence part of universe. So can we say we are living in universe? Yes. Our table, our boxes, our even cities are part of universe. Everything that have existence is part of universe. Earlier, the group of scientists were quite confused about time. Can we say time is part of the universe, or time is kind of thing that refers the sequence of event? Time is sequence of event or the outcome of our universe. So let us understand the idea of time. If suppose this way Earth is rotating on its axis and this is sun. So how can we say that this is daytime or this is night time? on the basis of movement of earth with respect to sun. If sun ray is not falling on the earth, this side, this will be called night time. If this side, in that case, it is daytime. So time is kind of the outcome of the movement of celestial body, we may say. So this was the opinion of Einstein. This was Einstein. Einstein. So earlier it was felt that time is just the sequence of event. One event happened, next event arrived. So that is time. Past, present, future is the sequence of the time. But later when Einstein challenged opinion and say that no, time is kind of part of universe, so you must consider that must be. So later time also included with universe. Now what about a space found between two or more stars? If here sun is there, another star is there, there may some vacuum. So earlier there were no understanding. Nowadays scientists say no, this is part of universe. So what would be the part of universe? A star, planets, their satellites, even a space between two or more stars, that is called interstellar space. And last one, it is time. So universe, what is everything around us is called universe. Everything around us is called universe. Be it our planet, galaxy, a star, satellite, even intergalactic space, object and time. So these are this is the very simple definition of the universe. Now let us check the object found in universe. So देखो what happens over the time. Our knowledge, our understanding about universe developed over the time. Now what is interesting, when our scientists attempted to decode the structure of universe, they identify that what we know about universe, this is a very limited understanding. What we know about universe is very limited. Rather, our universe as far as concerned is quite extensive and it is beyond our imagination. 74% part of universe consists of dark energy, the unknown source of energy, from where such energy comes and where they goes, we have no idea. That is kind of ghost energy. Dark energy. तो रात वगैरह में कुछ दिखता होगा, इसका मतलब वो dark energy है. Again, 74% means vast area of universe occupied by what? Dark energy. And we have just a mere idea that the density of dark energy is lesser than the normal ordinary matter. 74 unknown. Now come 26%. 24% out of this is again dark matter. What is dark matter? So there is existence of a parallel body, parallel matter of each and everything in universe, it is said. जैसे shadow with object. So that is called a parallel object. So scientists identify that there is an existence, there exists a parallel dark matter, hypothetical kind of matter, and that is invisible. Neither emit nor absorb the light, neutral to light. So these set of matter are called dark matter and they constitute 24%. Such dark matter as far as concerned. So these are the example of dark matter. Neutralino, axion, gravitano, dark electrons, dark neutrons, and even we are unknown about that. कितना बड़ा है. तो such a vast area occupied by dark matter, ghost matter, are known to mankind. Second things. Now third is called ordinary matter. ये ordinary है, visible matter or ordinary matter. In short, we can say OM. Actually, on the basis of their behavior, when electromagnetic suppose wave were thrown out, or wave deviated from their path, so scientists identify something there must be. So over the time, earlier, actually, you know very well, so-called mythological, not, I'm not supporting this word mythological with respect to Indians' understanding. Reason being ki most of the things are quite going on in our world. And recently we have witnessed some evidences what earlier called mythology. So so-called mythology type of narrative is now breaking. So these are, even in Indian scholar, Indian scientists claim that there is no beginning, there is no end of our universe. And God has created, God has destructed. So there may exist God. ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है. So that is unknown to us. We are unknown about existence of, about the universe. Now, so dark matter and dark energy are the principal constituent of our universe. And both are quite unknown, quite mysterious. The exact word we can say mysterious. We have only idea about energy, density of that is lesser than ordinary matter. Now, third constituent of universe is our ordinary matter. So by definition, ordinary matter are what? So such a matter having some sort of mass or acquire some sort of area is called ordinary matters. In short, we can say these are ओम. कौन सा वर्ड आ गया? फिर से यही बात आ जाएगी, ओम. तो देखो, as far as my personality is concerned, तो I am conservative, I am supporting Indian art and culture, so that is why Om, as per my opinion, that is the correct word. So ordinary matter are the matter with whom we are aware, with which we are aware. Like suppose any object that can be identified, that can be seen by the man is called ordinary matter. Be it planet, be it a star, be it satellite. So the visible object in the universe are ordinary matter. So देखो, we are just aware about how much amount of universe, 4.6% area of universe is visible to us. Rest of the 95% is invisible to us. Ab the question is that ki how such planet, universe, how object came into existence. So earlier it was said that fundamental particle are atoms. Who say it was Rutherford. So what happens? International Nobel Committee awarded Rutherford with Nobel Prize. Next year, atoms were broken apart into proton, electron and neutron. Again, the person were awarded with Nobel Prize. मतलब देखो, कहते हैं कि साइंस में झूठ नहीं बोलते हैं. तो हाउ दे गॉट अवार्डेड विथ नोबेल प्राइज? रदरफोर्ड वन से एटम आर इनविजिबल, indivisible fundament element. Despite that, awarded with Nobel Prize. अब तो how such ordinary matter come into existence? So some fundamental element contributes in their formation. Earlier, it was believed to be the atoms. Atoms rather identified into proton, electron and neutron. Again, what happens? Scientists came to conclusion that no, proton, electron, neutron are outcome of combination of more elementary particle, quark and lepton. So leptons and quark are the fundamental particle. Combination of this particle has produced electron, proton and neutron. After combination of electron, proton and neutron, our planet, our satellite, even human body came into existence. So elementary or fundamental particle in universe is lepton and quark. Quarks and lepton. ठीक है, बना देंगे, इसका फिगर बना लेंगे हम लोग. अभी बस पढ़ते चलो, चीजें चलने चलो. और we shall draw the flow chart. Geography we shall cover with flow chart. ठीक है. दैट इज पार्ट ऑफ डिस्कशन, सारे फ्लो चार्ट में आएंगे. तो व्हाट वी लर्न कि nowadays scientists are very confirm that the fundamental element, the constituent of our universe is quark and leptons. When three quarks join each other, they form proton, up quark and down quark. When three quarks join, two down quark with one up quark forms neutron. तो देखो ये हो रहा है, that is the fundamental particle. Again, quarks are jointed together with a strong force, a strong bond. That is why they are in nucleus. इसीलिए वो न्यूक्लियस में दिखाई पड़ते हैं. Other like neutrons are outside from that nucleus. So there is a very weak bonding. So second point we shall keep in mind, leptons. So those elements which are not bonded together with strong forces are called leptons. So leptons found outside the neutrons. Example of leptons, well-known example is electron. You know very well, in physics you have read, पढ़ाई होगा सबने कि इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड प्रोटॉन, proton and neutron found here and electron spin around this. So electron is the kind of lepton that found around this proton and neutron. So these are the particle called lepton. As far as the leptons is concerned, so there are two type of leptons. One may charge, that is electron. One may neutral, that is neutrinos, neutrinos or electron. So these are the fundamental particle. ठीक है, fundamental particle, quark, leptons. Quark forms proton, quark forms neutron, combination of quark. Again, lepton, example of electrons and neutrino. We learn about that. One more point, hadrons. So combination of two quark like proton will called hadrons. Hadrons is not a fundamental elementary particle that has caused the formation of our universe. Rather, when two quarks combines with each other, that forms hadrons. ठीक है, तो the basic thing we shall keep in mind. This was a straightforward question. That is previous year question. ठीक है, सेम क्वेश्चन आ चुका है पहले. अब तो वी आर अवेयर विथ इलेक्ट्रॉन, न्यूट्रॉन, प्रोटॉन. व्हाट अबाउट न्यूट्रिनो एंड न्यूट्रिनो, दिस leptons, neutrino? I'm providing you some sort of idea, that is not physics classes, but we are the one looking to decode the behavior of neutrino. We are the leading country. What happens, so very interesting fact, it was the time when APJ Kalam was alive. मतलब 2004-5 it was the 2005, 6, 7, 8 it was around. APJ Kalam was the president of India. Indian government when identify the existence, our scientist group claimed the existence of neutrino. What is neutrino? So keep in mind, it is neutral and very fast moving particle that even crosses the earth structure within a fraction of second. That is the velocity that is faster than the light. Neutrino. Now imagine if we would have command over neutrino, we may transmit our information through the means of neutrino particle. So that is immense opportunity, and India is among few country, only 4 or 5 country attempted to decode the behavior of neutrino, and we have successfully constructed a laboratory observatory to understand the behavior of neutrino in Tamil Nadu, located in Theni. Theni, it is Bodhi Hill, Bodhi West Hill, Theni. So neutrino are fundamental leptons, and Indian government is trying to understand the behavior of neutrino. Reason, this will be the means of communication in future. There will be a transformation from digital revolution to neutrino revolution in future. Or who controls, who know the behavior of neutrino may lead the world. So that will be the future and we are doing so. अब तो फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल, ये ध्यान रखना है, क्वेश्चन कभी भी आ सकता है. इवन देयर वर अ मास प्रोटेस्ट अगेंस्ट दिस. अब आते हैं नेक्स्ट. नाउ तो these fundamental particle forms causes formation of multiple type of object and we will discuss only existence of ordinary particle. Reason being कि dark energy, dark matter are known to us. So we will discuss that is ordinary matter. As far as ordinary matter is concerned, so here several form of structure, planet, satellite, galaxy found in our universe.